Hello, I'm John Hunt, and I'm so pleased to be an ambassador for the education charity Racing to School. I work for the BBC as a racecourse commentator, one of the voices you hear calling the horses' names as they race against each other. You'll shortly hear more about the different types of races they run. I'm always pleased to see young people enjoying a fun day of learning with Racing to School at racecourses right across the country. I hope to see you one day soon and that you'll enjoy our new set of films. Horse racing is one of Britain's oldest and most loved sports. The British have been racing horses since the time of King James I in the 17th century. Today, almost 6 million people watch 14,000 horses race at one of the country's 59 racecourses each year. Join us as we take a look behind the scenes of this fascinating sport, showing you how the maths you learn at school is important to help run the exciting world of horse racing. Weighing out. We start our learning and discovery in the weighing room, the nerve centre of the racecourse. So, what do you think gets weighed here? No, it's not the horses. They wouldn't fit through the door. Yes, it's the jockeys. In each race, a horse is allocated a weight to carry. This includes the jockey, saddle, and all the other equipment. So, when they are going out to ride, the clerk of the scales, an important job at the racecourse, has to weigh them before they go out to race. In horse racing, we use a type of measurement called the imperial system. Do you know the difference between the imperial and metric systems of measurements? Imperial measurements are the old system that have been around for centuries and includes weights like stones, pounds, and ounces, as well as furlongs, yards, and miles to measure distance. Metric measurements are the ones you use at school, like grams and kilograms for weight and meters and kilometers for distance. Now, let's do some work. Can you answer the following questions? A. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? B. 1 pound equals how many ounces? And C. 1 stone equals how many pounds? Well, that was nice and easy, but what about converting from one system to the next? If there are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram and 450 grams in 1 pound, can you answer A. How many pounds are there in 2 kilograms? And B. How many grams are there in 2 pounds? Now let's put your new knowledge to use. Do you know how much you weigh in stones and pounds? If not, take a guess, or as we call it in the maths world, an estimate. Now pause the video, find your bathroom scales and weigh yourself. If you don't have any scales to use, perhaps ask a family member to help you work it out. How close was your guess? If you didn't get it spot on, then find out the difference by taking away the biggest number from the smallest number. Using what you've learned so far, can you convert your weight into kilograms? There are 2 types of horse racing in the United Kingdom: national hunt, which is jump racing, and flat racing. See if you can find out whether these famous horse races are jump or flat races. A. The Grand National. B. The Epsom Derby. C. The St Leger. D. The Cheltenham Gold Cup. One of the main differences between the types of racing is the weight the horses can carry. In flat racing, a jockey has to be between 8 stone and 10 stone, while in jump racing, it is between 10 stone and 12 stone. Try to answer the following questions. What is the minimum weight in kilograms that a flat jockey can be? What is the difference in pounds between the minimum and maximum weight for a jump jockey? Why do you think a flat jockey needs to be lighter than a jump jockey? Do you think the following statements are true or false? A. Lighter weights are given to the younger horses. B. Heavier weights are given to the faster horses. C. Female horses are given lighter weights than males. Well done! I really hope you enjoyed learning more about the wonderful sport of horse racing and testing out your math skills. Thanks for taking part, and look out for the next challenges soon.